Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stuff from Temu.com online. Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to Temu.com. First, you need to create an account on Temu. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information such as your email address, password, and other details. Once you have created your account, you can start browsing the website for products. To find a product, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the product you are looking for and press enter. You can also browse through the different categories listed on the website. Once you have found a product you like, click on it to view more details. The product page will show you the price, product description, and customer reviews. You can also check the product images and videos to get a better understanding of the product. To add a product to your cart, click on the Add to Cart button. You can then proceed to checkout by clicking on the Checkout button. If you have a coupon code, you can apply it at this stage to get a discount. At the checkout page, you will need to fill in your shipping address and payment information. Temu accepts various payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and other online payment options. Make sure to review your order carefully before submitting it. Once you have placed your order, you will receive an email confirmation with the order details. You can track the status of your order by logging into your account and clicking on the Order Tracking button. It is also important to note that Temu offers a return and refund policy. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can initiate a return within the specified time frame. Make sure to read the return policy carefully before making a purchase. In conclusion, buying stuff from Temu.com is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily find and purchase products online. Remember to always review your order carefully and take advantage of any discounts or promotions available. With Temu's affordable prices and wide range of products, you can shop with confidence and convenience.